client came in today and got a beautiful custom wig from Shake Your Hair. How does it feel?
It feels really good. It feels wonderful. It feels really secure. I won't have to do all that glue and all that stuff, and just put it on and go.
What does the texture feel like?
It feels silky. It feels naturally silky.
Naturally silky, not too silky.
No, not too silky. Does not feel, it's not synthetic obviously, but it feels wonderful.
Yay, and it was already colored.
Yes, it's not gonna tangle. I've been sitting here doing this a lot, actually no shedding. Yeah.
What brought you into us today?
I was sent over here by Tarsha, who has an organization Still All Rise from Breast Cancer. Because I'm a breast cancer survivor and lost my hair a few months ago and ready to get back into regular life, and wanted
a new hairdo, and we took care of you here at Magic Hair Company.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you for coming in. We really appreciate it, and we're glad that we can be a part of this new transformation for you.
Yes, thank you so much.